His love endures forever. Psalm 107:1. Memory verse. I will give thanks to the Lord because of His righteousness, and will sing praise to the name of the Lord Most High. Psalm chapter 7, verse 17. Psalm 100, verse 1. Shout for joy to the Lord, all the earth. Verse 2. Worship the Lord with gladness. Come before Him with joyful songs. Verse 3. Know that the Lord is God. It is He who made us. We are His people, the sheep of His pasture. Verse 4. Enter His gates with thanksgivings and His courts with praise. Give thanks to Him and praise His name. Verse 5. For the Lord is good, and His love yours forever. His faithfulness continues through all generations.
Magandang hapon po. Kami po sa Sunday School, 5 p.m. Iniimbitahan po namin yung ating pong mga anak. Dalhin po natin sa Sunday School. At doon po ang bata ay matututo ng salita ng Diyos at mauunawaan nila ang gusto ng Diyos para sa kanila. God bless you po. Mabuhay po kayo.